Welcome to Girls World!
Hi everyone, I received a package from stylevana. They kindly sent me the Vana Family All-Rounder Kit in number 5. First item is the Pure Vitamin C Serum from the brand Purito. It's a whitening serum infused with vitamin C solution, hyaluronic acid solution, and other naturally derived ingredients. It helps improve the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines effectively. It also helps brighten dull complexion. The next item is the Madagascar Centella Pro Bio Zika Enriched Cream from the brand Skin 1004. It's a moisturizing cream that stretches like thread, making it possible to massage and pat the skin without any irritation, and balances oil and moisture. It contains Centella asiatica extract, an ingredient that effectively soothes the skin, and vegan probio Zika, providing care for weak and sensitive skin barrier. Next item is the Zika No Sebum Mild Powder from the brand VT. Get a smooth complexion with this multitasking powder. It's formulated with VT's patented Zika Liao and Zika Hyalon ingredients, which contain Centella asiatica extract and Madagascar to soothe the skin. The fine-grained powders eliminate shine and sets makeup in place. A blend of green propolis extract and hyaluronic acid delivers nourishment and hydration to skin. Next item is the vegan niacinamide panthenol sun cushion from the brand Mary and May. It is infused with niacinamide and fitted with SPF 50+, PA+++++. The sun cushion protects skin against UV rays while providing brightening care. Panthenol and sodium hyaluronate in the formula offers moisturizing effects. The light and non-sticky texture adheres well to skin and doesn't leave a white cast. The reef safe and vegan formula is suitable for various skin types, including sensitive skin. Next is the Glitterpedia Eye Palette from the brand Nisha. Aim for maximum sparkle with this vegan-friendly eyeshadow palette consisting of 9 highly wearable shades in matte, shimmery, and glittery formulations. Soft and highly blendable formula packed with glitter promises minimal fallout and long-lasting shine. I have the shade number 3, all of coral pink. Next is the 4D Mascara in color black by the brand Nisha. This beauty brand offers a vast variety of products such as skincare, makeup, hair care, and foot care lines. Nisha makes affordable and high-quality beauty products within reach of women everywhere. The last but not the least is Dialism Liquid Lipstick by the brand Hamish. Ace that MLBB lip look with this soft matte liquid lipstick with just a hint of juiciness. The lightweight yet highly buildable formula glides smoothly onto lips for long-lasting glam. Now let me show you how I normally use these items. First is the Pure Vitamin C Serum from Purito. Use it after cleansing. Just dispense 1 to 2 doses and apply to the entire face. Lightly pat for better absorption. Next is the Madagascar Centella Pro Bio Zika Enriched Cream from the brand Skin 1004. Use it at the last step of the skincare routine. Before sunscreen, apply appropriate amount on face and pat gently with both palms for absorption. Next is the vegan niacinamide panthenol sun cushion from the brand Mary and May. Apply on face and neck at the last stage of your skincare routine. Next, I use the Glitterpedia Eye Palette from the brand Nisha. You can apply it directly on the eyelid using the fingertips for effortless one-swipe application, or also you can use your trusty brush. Next is the 4D mascara from the brand Nisha. You can use an eye curler, but for me, I don't usually use an eye curler. So apply it to your eyelashes in zigzags. Next is Dialism Liquid Lipstick from the brand Hamish. I'm using the shade number 02 Burning Red. Use the applicator to apply an appropriate amount on the lips. And the last but not the least is the Zika No Sebum Mild Powder from the brand VT. Take a moderate amount with the included puff and gently dab over the face. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. All the items that I feature on this video. Also, let me know in the comment if ever you've tried any of these items. And until next time, bye!